In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shortcut keys for symbols in Microsoft Word. This is a nifty little trick that can save you a lot of time, especially if you find yourself frequently inserting specific symbols into your documents. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you're going to want to open the Microsoft Word file you've been working on, or any new document where you want to insert symbols more efficiently. Opening your document helps you visualize where you want to use your shortcut keys to insert symbols. Next, you'll need to head over to the Layout tab, which you can find among the ribbon at the top of your Word interface. Once you're there, look for and click on the Symbol button. This will show you a drop-down of commonly used symbols, but here we want something more specific, so move ahead and click on More Symbols. Now you've got access to a plethora of options. Once you're in the More Symbols menu, look through the list of different symbols available. Remember, the key here is finding the symbol that you use often and want to create a shortcut for. Take your time and select the one that will best enhance your workflow. After selecting your chosen symbol from the list, you'll want to click on Shortcut Key. This option will bring up another window where the magic happens. This is where you'll set your shortcut key. Now, under the Press New Shortcut Key box, it's your opportunity to decide which key combination you'd like to assign. It's like creating your bespoke shortcut that becomes a time-saving badge you can wear proudly across your documents. When you've decided on the key combination, make sure it's something intuitive, something you'll remember easily. It's also important to consider how it fits with your existing shortcuts to avoid any conflicts. Enter your chosen combination in the provided box. Once that's done, it's time to cement this new functionality into your document by clicking on Assign. Congratulations, you've just created a new shortcut key for a symbol in Microsoft Word. This functionality is designed to help you work more efficiently, eliminating the need to open the Symbols menu repeatedly. With your new shortcuts in place, inserting symbols will feel as natural as typing, and that's it, you're done. With this new skill in your toolkit, your Word document workflow will be even smoother. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial on creating shortcut keys in Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, make sure to share it with others who might benefit from this tip too. Happy typing, and see you in the next video.